I know so many of you will think as soon as you hit this huge amount of money, or you find that beautiful girl, you find your future partner, then life just eliminates every problem. You will never have a problem-free moment. Hey folks, it's your boy Sammy once again, and I'm back again with another video. Let's get right into it. Today's topic is the toughest part in becoming who you want to be. Becoming successful, becoming that entrepreneur, becoming that business owner, becoming that girl or guy or whoever you want to be. The toughest part is this. This is gonna be the toughest part for you as well. Whether you want to be healthy, wealthy, successful, is being able to see something better when you are in the swamp. That's the toughest part. And you know what, I've learned this. When everything is going well, everybody's happy, you're making money, everything is just going so well for you. You're losing weight, you got a new girl, you got a new guy, everything is just working out for you, right? Everything is going just the way you want it to go. And you're happy because everything is just working out for you. This is the secret. Or let me say, the toughest part is remaining enthusiastic even when the walls of life are falling in front of your face. Alright, that's the tough part. And let me share something with you. As you continue to live on this planet called Earth, and basically for the rest of your life, you will never gonna have a problem-free moment. So I know so many of you will think as soon as you hit this huge amount of money, or you find that beautiful girl, you find your future partner, then life just eliminates every problem in your life. Like you don't have any problem. Listen, and like everything is gonna be perfect. Maybe so, but I'm not sure about that. And let me tell you from my experience, this is my philosophy. You will never have a problem-free moment. Okay? And to me, problems are, if you want to consider this, it's a sign of life. Okay? You see, when things don't go exactly how you thought it would go, it's just a sign of life. That's it. If you lose some money, it's just a sign of life. If you get kicked out of your apartment, maybe you don't have the money to start your business. Maybe you didn't graduate on time, or maybe you thought something was going to work out, but it didn't work out. It's just a sign of life. It just shows that you're living. And the only place on the planet that you would have no problems, no issues, and no challenges, there's only one place on this planet that there's none of this going on there, and that's the graveyard. That's the graveyard. Those people, they don't have problems. They don't have to pay bills. They don't have to seek validation from anybody. They are not posting on Snapchat, they're not posting on Instagram, they are not posting on Facebook. They are not trying to start a business. They didn't lose money. They are not trying to find a partner. They're not trying to graduate from school. They're not trying to do none of that. They are not trying to lose weight. They have no problems. Not even one. Problems and challenges is nothing but a sign of life. It means that you're living. It means that you've just got to stretch more. Okay? It means that even though everything is falling in your face, are you able to visualize and think and tell yourself that it's gonna work out? It's gonna be okay. I believe it's gonna be okay. I've been here before and we've made it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm just gonna do it. I don't know how I'm gonna make this right. This is so difficult. My life is in shambles. Okay? But it will work out. I don't know how, but it will work out. I'll figure it out. And I want to tell you this. Yes, you will figure it out. You watching me right now, okay? Pretty soon. Just hang in there. Keep going. Keep going. You figure it out. You know, whatever you're struggling with, I believe everyone has this thing that they're struggling with, right? They're trying to get over, or they're trying to solve this problem, trying to get over this problem. Something that's just tearing them apart. Everyone has this challenge in their life. They're like, man, this is tough. I want to tell you right now. Yeah, it's Sammy talking to you right now. I want to tell you in your face that you're going to figure it out. Keep pushing, keep thinking, keep believing, keep visualizing, keep working, and most of all, keep taking action. Take action. Problems are a sign of life. It just means you're living, okay? You just gotta figure it out. It might take a long time for some people, but for others, it will take a short time. But then you will eventually figure it out once you're alive. So don't stress yourself too much. Just do what you're doing. Be consistent. Keep going. Put in more hours. Or let me rephrase this. Put in more work in the hours you're already putting in. Okay? It's just a problem that you have to tackle. You can go. Let's go. You can do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I appreciate you guys. And keep subscribe to the channel. Like it. Share it as well to somebody who needs this. It's your boy Sammy, and I want to leave you with this quote from Jim Rohn, and it goes like this: never wish life were easier. Wish that you were better. And it's self-explanatory, right? Wish you had more skills. Wish you had more insight. Okay? Never wish life were easier. Wish you were better. I'll catch you guys in another video. And that's it for today. And I'm out. And just before you leave, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification, hit the bell so you always get notified as soon as I post. And just show your boy some love. Thanks, and I appreciate you guys. Peace.